Dear HP Gas LPG consumer, you can now complete your Aadhaar-based biometric authentication eKYC with ease from the comfort of your home. This authentication is necessary to keep your HP gas connection securely linked to your Aadhaar and confirm your identity. You can now complete this through Aadhaar-based biometric eKYC. This process can be completed entirely from your mobile phone right at home. To get started, you'll need two apps. First, the HP Pay app for eKYC and other LPG services, which is available in both Android and iOS mobiles. Second, the Aadhaar FaceRD app, which enables safe and secure face authentication, which is also available in both Android and iOS mobiles. You can also scan the QR code shown on screen to download the HP Pay app. Now, let's walk you through the eKYC process. Open the HP Pay app, tap on Register and enter mobile number linked to your HP gas account. Enter the OTP you receive on your mobile number for verification. Next, set your 4-digit MPIN. Log into HP Pay app using your MPIN and allow location access. Head over to the My HP section and tap on LPG. Then, tap on the eKYC option. Terms and conditions will appear on the screen. Please read them carefully and give your consent. Then tap on Capture Face. The Aadhaar FaceRD app will open. Allow it to scan your face. Follow the instructions shown on screen and complete your eKYC. If biometric lock is active on your Aadhaar, you will need to unlock it before proceeding to eKYC. Otherwise, the eKYC process cannot be completed. To unlock, download the mAadhaar app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and register using your Aadhaar number. Go to the My Aadhaar section and tap on Biometric Settings. Click Unlock Biometric and use the OTP sent to your Aadhaar-linked mobile to verify and complete the unlock process. If you face any issues at any step, please contact our toll-free helpline 1800-233-555. Download HP Pay to complete your eKYC and unlock a wide variety of BPCL services.